My video is about removing Playswiftcompletelythefile.vip fake browser update alerts. These fake browser update alerts currently attack Google Chrome browsers only. These fake alerts try to encourage customers into downloading and installing certain unwanted browser extensions. These extensions may be presented as some recommended ad blockers, but in reality, such extensions may function as the typical adware or browser hijacking extensions. They may change certain crucial browser settings of your Google Chrome, for instance, the default homepage, default search engine, and other settings too. So it is strongly advised that you do not interact with these fake Chrome update alerts by the site Playswiftcompletelythefile.vip. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you should immediately undertake the measures to get rid of them fully and completely. I'm going to install these extensions for the demonstration purposes in order to help you realize how to get rid of them effectively after they got mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome. So, such extensions are not really viruses or malware, but as I said, they may change a lot of crucial settings of your browser without your permission. If the extension is added into the Google Chrome browser, a lot of changes would eventually take place. You may start seeing a lot of ads in your browser, and these ads are not related to the sites that you visit. Plus, your default search engine may be changed from Google Search to some other search engine that has not been selected by you initially. To remove any third-party extensions, access the menu of your Google Chrome, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions here on the list, you should disable such extensions. And of course, you need to remove such extensions completely. After you have done that, we strongly advise that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Go to this official website related to the Combo Cleaner antivirus. Combo Cleaner works very well to detect and delete the majority of ransomware type infections. Once again, the page is combocleaner.com. After the program gets successfully downloaded and installed, start researching your system with its help in order to detect and eliminate other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each thread manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threads automatically.